All right, to make our Spam Musubi, we got a can of Spam. We're gonna cut this Spam into 7 pieces. Just like that. All right, now we're gonna make our rice. I'm making a whole bunch of these Musubi, so we're going to take 3 cups of rice. This is Nishiki rice, medium grain. And for that much rice, you need 4 cups of water. And we're going to bring that to a boil. All right, we're going to fry up our Spam. We want to brown it just slightly on each side. We're going to do it in a little bit of olive oil. Let this heat up. All right, now that our oil's getting warm, we're going to put our Spam in and just lightly brown both sides. Okay, our rice is boiling, so we're going to turn it down to a simmer and cover it 20 minutes. All right, we're going to flip these around. Next, we're going to make a sauce that we're going to put our fried Spam in, and that's going to consist of soy sauce and some brown sugar. We're going to kind of wing it a little bit, so we're going to put about 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, something like that. Give that a mix. Okay, we're going to take our Spam and just kind of let these go in the marinade just a little bit. I'm going to flip them over. Here's what that sauce looks like as it's reducing, and we're giving it a good little bath on that. It's going to have tons of flavor. If I could do this with one hand, yeah. All right, now we're ready to assemble. We've got our little Musubi maker. Take some rice. It's nice and sticky, just how it's supposed to be. Mash down our rice. Take our nori, which we cut, and we're going to just carefully place, this on there. Take a little wet finger. Boom. There we go. All right, we have the Spam Musubis made, and we are going to try them out. Andrew and Trevin are going to try these out, so give it a try.
Musubi. I've never had Spam before.
Never?
So
What? You've never had Spam?
I don't think so.
What? You're from Minnesota, too.
I'm apprehensive, but we'll see.
You're from Minnesota. That's disappointing.
Not a true Minnesotan.
What do you guys think?
That's really good.
I've already had 3 of these. Pretty good.
Is this one just as good as the other?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
That is good, actually. I like it.
The
Awesome.
sauce is really good. What did you use for the sauce?
Yeah, what is the sauce?
It is soy sauce and brown sugar.
Mm.
Yeah, that adds. The Spam itself tastes a little different than what I imagined.
Yeah, it's cooked in that, so it's
It's cooked in like teriyaki, right?
no, it's soy
Oh,
sauce and
rice down.
brown sugar.
Compliments to the chef.
All right,
Chef
thanks guys.
Jason Bolte special.
Thanks for watching, everyone.